came to our 2 sessions for health.
I think this might work.
Awesome.
Will that work?
Behind the microphone, please.
Stand behind this mic, yes.
Yes, sir, I will stand behind the microphone. So we went through and tried to identify what the biggest challenges were around health. And as you remember from Eric's amazing talk, he gave us the 3 C's framework. And so we used that to try to identify what our groups thought were the big challenges we were facing. And none of these will come as a surprise to most folks. Around connectivity, there were things about having lack of access to both the tools and to the information. And then we got into a little bit around some of the metrics and accountability. Issues in care force, having people in the right places, either the doctors and nurses being far away from the patients or the patients not able to get to them or to the supplies that they need. And then things around community. One of the most interesting things that we came up with was talking about the Russian doll syndrome around things around health, that healthcare is an issue, but when healthcare is an issue, that sometimes means that water and sanitation is an issue. And if water and sanitation is an issue, that means that poverty is an issue. And if poverty is an issue, that means that corruption is an issue, and on and on. So we got into some roundabout discussions about how health is just related to everything, and it's the beginning or the ending, depending on where you come into the story. Because this was sort of unsatisfying, we also spent a little bit of time talking about some big success stories. And a lot of these are things that we've seen happen in times already, things like telemedicine or point-of-care diagnostics or having technologies that are powered by solar, things that are available in local communities. But these were things that made us feel optimistic about where we were headed, and hopefully some of the conversations today that had any focus on health are building on some of these possible successes so that we can move forward between now and the time in Rio. Thanks.
Awesome. Thank you very much.